Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Delsey Paris Hardside Luggage. This suitcase expands up to 2 inches for additional packing space. This feature is great for packing souvenirs on return journeys. The double spinner wheels assure exceptional maneuverability and keep zero weight on your arm. Made of 100% polycarbonate, which is a material that is extremely resilient to cracking or breaking, with a deep metallic finish. This carry-on bag has a comfortable handle system that locks into 2 positions for ease of use. Body dimensions is 20.5 by 14.5 by 10 inches. 2 large fully lined compartments with multiple pockets allow easy access and organization for all of your items. Web straps and a zipper divider secure clothing and help minimize wrinkles. The 4 twin spinner wheels all rotate 360 degrees. 100% polycarbonate with glossy finish which makes the case extremely lightweight. 4 twin spinner wheels assuring multi-directional rolling and optional stability with zero weight on your hand. Number 2 in this best hardside carry-on luggage list is Rockland London Hardside Luggage. This carry-on is made of ABS. This material is extremely lightweight, durable, and protects the contents of your luggage. 4 multi-directional spinner wheels rotate 360 degrees for easy maneuverability. This luggage allows you to pack more while avoiding the excess weight surcharges imposed by most airlines. Multi-directional spinner wheels for easy maneuverability. Modern internal chrome telescoping handle with push-button handle. For those with a little extra room in their budget, the Rockland Elite Carry-On is an intelligent option with a polycarbonate shell designed to flex upon impact and a textured finish that hides all scuffs and scratches. Indeed, it didn't sustain any visible damage during our testing process. Aluminum corner guards, a genuine leather trim, and stylish colors ranging from metallic sand to vintage gray complete this suitcase's high-end look. It's also convenient, with USB-A and C fast charge ports and an external access power bank pocket. Our third choice is Kenneth Cole Reaction Luggage. Pack your essentials for an overnight trip or a weekend getaway inside this durable hardside 4-wheel spinner carry-on suitcase from Kenneth Cole Reaction's Out of Bounds luggage collection. Loaded with amazing features including a spacious fully lined interior, molded corner guard reinforcements for maximum impact resistance, and a large U-shaped zipper pocket that allows for double-sided packing. Also features multi-directional 4-wheel spinner wheels that allow for smooth 360-degree rotation over any rough surface. This carry-on meets almost all U.S. based airline carry-on size requirements and fits into most airline overhead bin compartments. Designed to be considered a true carry-on. The perfect lightweight and dependable hardside carry-on suitcase for travelers and professionals whom value both style and function. For details, let's watch more. Our fifth and last choice is Swiss Gear Hardside Luggage. The Swiss Gear 19-inch Energy Hard Luggage collection is simply durable would be an understatement. Equipped with a rugged PC shell, our carry-on suitcase with spinner wheels displays a polished architect. Equipped with tech-savvy features for the modern traveler, this hard-sided luggage with spinner wheels introduces USB capability, so you can now rejuvenate your drained smartphone or tablet by simply connecting to your hard case luggage. Adding to its symmetric aesthetic, its main compartment opens into a split case that features a tie-down clothing compartment with a zippered accessory pocket, while the other side houses a large zippered compartment with additional mesh and cinched pockets. An internal mesh pocket hides the USB cord that is connected to the back. Hook it to your power bank to charge a low battery whenever needed and wherever you travel. Pack right utilizing the luxury fixtures ingrained within this sleek spinner luggage case. For details, let's watch more.